So in the last video I show you guys how to remove background in Capcut PC, and now in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new background after removing the first background. It's going to be an easy and simple process. You just need to follow every step. Let's start the video. Now just duplicate the video and put up here, right there. Then just import the background that you want to add. I have the background that I want to add in this video. Let me import it. Now put that background in the middle of both videos. Yeah, like this. Let's fit this background in the screen so it's look good and add it till the end of the video. And that's how you add background after removing the background that you want to remove. Let's add this person in the middle so it's look good. Now let's play the video and see how it's looking.
I can literally walk in any room in America right now and gain the respect of half the people in there just because of my physique.
And you can also play with these effects, make it as you want. And that's it. Make sure you like the video if you find it helpful, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.